So Friday night arriving at Men's Weekend, didn't know a lot about what to expect. Had a vague idea of the program through the website. But I was sort of in that space of being intrigued but quite cautious, and there was a lot of other stuff bubbling away beneath the surface for me. So quite reserved, just like, checking what's going on and trying to make sense of what the program would be like and what's going to be involved. And then fast track to today, and it is just, it's just incredible. The experience and the work that's done, and the connections of everyone that's here just makes it such an enriching experience. It's one of the ways I can describe how I feel today is light and relieved. It's like this burden that I've been carrying for a long time has been lifted. And it's amazing because it's something I've been grappling with how to make sense of and how to, decrease its weight, and for years and years and years. And I think all the work I've been doing over the last 5 years has helped just accelerate that. So yeah, feel amazing and can't wait to go back home and share the love with my family and know I can be a better dad to my kids and a better husband to my wife.